Today I had a little leg day and I want to talk about that. So I just got back from the gym a little bit ago and I did my usual things, RDL, squats, hip thrusts, lunges, things of that nature. But what today I want to talk about is something called neural drive. So I've been lifting weights for about the past couple, 3 years, I would say. 3 years, pretty consistently. And so for me, what I'm doing at the gym today, I'm not going to see as many results as someone who is new to weightlifting because of this concept of neural drive. And so what happens is we become essentially more efficient at sending EPSPs, or those waves of depolarization, through our muscle cells and through our neurons. And so if we have a stronger EPSP, so when we have things like, norepinephrine, epinephrine can release EPSPs, but other things as well. When we have that excitatory postsynaptic potential, right, we're getting a contraction because we're going to get depolarization in the muscle. If we remember back to the goldfish model, And so what happens then, if we're able to send stronger and more frequent EPSPs, we're actually going to activate the sarcoplasmic reticulum. We're going to spit more calcium out, which is then going to allow us to hydrolyze more ATP at a faster rate. So we're actually going to get better force production, and that's what you're going to see a lot of what we call the newbie gains. A lot of that very rapid improvement is a neural pathway thing, right? Because our brain is learning how to coordinate the movement and how to quickly and efficiently send that EPSP in order to cause the contraction within the muscle, because then the calcium binds to the troponin, tropomyosin, myosin heads grab actin, boom, we begin to hydrolyze ATP. And we become more efficient with that as time goes on. So obviously for me now, I'm not getting as many of those neural adaptations because I've done this for 3 years. I almost even have muscle memory with this. Like, these movements are very familiar to me. A squat, things like that, very basic and very familiar to me. But even when you look at a beginner and you see their movements are very wobbly, very shaky, a lot of our gains when we start out lifting is due to neural events, which is super cool. So yeah,